Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we read about the role of media in our daily life. Before we start this topic, if you are new on our channel, subscribe our channel and click on the notification bell for more updates and videos. Let's start. The role of media in any society has to be positive in many ways. Media is the major source of exposure of the events and activities in our society. For example, events, unethical things, bomb blasts, road accidents, business, streets crimes, special cases, entertainment, sports and surroundings and media. Everyday problems an individual faces in life. It is really important to have awareness about our surroundings and media like TV, newspapers, radio, internet and other media developments in recent years in Pakistan have changed the information usage and consumption patterns helps us do that. Media's people must report and present those events to the audiences in time. The priority of the news items is determined by media outlets and media people. Media also remind us which issue is to be the prime issue of the day. Among dozens of ongoing issues, media plays an important role in the grooming of our society. Its significance cannot be denied. It is a fast, effective medium of transferring information and awareness about old, current, and new things to our society. It includes both electronic and print media. Let us discuss some of the major roles and responsibilities of media fulfills and what should be its role and responsibilities towards our society. Now programs are on air and these revealing programs enhance statesman knowledge of a topical people. Their viewers, the most primal right view of media is that now they are optimal communicator of melody for localized people. Their viewers, they furnish optimal level for all types of people when they are discharged in scope by with improvements in media they are more transient and helpful for all age of peoples. Television news is the most powerful medium today, especially in the Pakistan where the literacy rate is extremely low. Due to impact of TV channels, the people are more informed. The electronic media along with the print media often criticize the government for going against the spirit of the constitution, violating democratic traditions and being uncomfortable to the public at large of inflation, unemployment, poverty, deterioration of the law and order situation and high deadness against opposition. It can be used as a motivational force to bring conscience on vital issues like education and health. The truth is that the significance of the media as a medium of interconnectedness of human affairs cannot be undermined in an age of rapid globalization. A free media that works continually can serve the collective conscience at the national and international level. This, however, is often easier said than done. The reporter or journalist is after the all human engines with basis and in some cases produce, and as with power basis the media show is vulnerable to the corruption of absolute power. Always be those in the ranks who can be bought with cash or perks or promises of paradise. At the end, media can be facilitate, stabilize and strengthen the country by playing educational and informative role and by imparting knowledge to the masses as knowledge is power and only a well-informed society can develop a positive approach to our life. So dear viewers, today we read about the role of media in our daily life. If you feel that any point we have not discussed in this video, tell us in the comment box. Allah Hafiz.